What is up, guys? Whoa, nice to see you again. How's everyone doing today? Today is the 8-day mark of me moving into this place, and I'd say it's gone pretty smooth so far. I haven't set the place on fire. I figured out I'm actually a pretty decent cook, and just the layout of the place has come along nicely. The living room's almost done. The bedroom's almost done. We just have one problem. This is the second bedroom or studio room or TV gaming room. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, which is the problem. And as a result, it is a mess. There's an office chair, there's boxes, there's a bag, there's a monitor, there's camera stuff all over the ground, there's more boxes, camera, tripod, and then in the closet there's some weird shelving unit that whoever lived here before me left. I don't know why they left it, but I don't really want it. So one of the goals for today is gonna be clean this up a little bit, get some of the boxes out of here, buy a shelf to put some of the camera equipment on, and figure out what I want the long-term purpose of this room to be. Do I want it to be solely a workroom? Do I want it to be a workroom and hangout room? Do I want it to be just a hangout? I need to figure all of this stuff out today. But we have a couple other things to do first. This is my sneaker room. You guys are used to seeing this in tons of videos. By and large, all the shoes left in here, maybe I take another 10 to 20 pairs of shoes out of here. The rest of them I'm probably gonna sell. Just, I don't have room and it's lots of extra money. We've talked about this. This is my old bedroom. This is where I used to sleep. I don't sleep here anymore, mostly because I don't live here. So basically what I need to do is I need to take all of these sneakers, all of these, and bring them into this room. That's the job for this morning. Only 250 more pairs to go. I think that's enough for today though. Alright, so if you guys remember from yesterday's video, I bought the Yeezy 500s. They didn't have the Yeezy 500s at the store, so they were just gonna phone us when they got the shoes. They just phoned me 20 minutes ago. They have the shoes. I'm not picking up one pair, I'm picking up 2 pairs. Livestock's right there. I'm so excited. I haven't seen these in person yet. I think they're hideous. Like, I really think they're hideous, but I'm also super excited to see them. Nice. So 2 pairs of the Yeezy dad shoes, and I have a 3rd pair coming online. They weren't that hard to get online, at least on Livestock's website, so I have a 3rd pair coming as well. 313 or 316.40 after tax, I think it was. So it's like $940 spent on a pair of shoes that, quite frankly, I haven't even decided if I like yet. If I open up this box and decide that these things are ugly, this could be one of the biggest wastes of money I've ever had in my life. Okay, as I said, I have not seen these things yet. I've seen pictures. I don't really like them in pictures. Hopefully they look, oh, you know what? The color is nice. The color is a little bit lighter than I thought it would be, to be 100% honest with you. Interesting. They look super, super long. This is a size 12. This looks like a size 700. These are cool. The suede's really, really nice. There's mesh. The leather's cool. Tons of padding on the ankle, which is nice. The bottom looks, I really love the bottom. The bottom reminds me of like an early 2000s Adidas basketball shoe, like one of the Kobe's or the crazy whatever is the feet you wear technology. Now they've changed it into boost you wear. These look really cool, actually. These look pretty cool. Okay, I'm by no means gonna say this is my favorite Yeezy, or it's better than the 350s, or it's better than the 750s, or it's better than some of the Nike Yeezys, or Louis Vuitton Yeezys. But this is a lot better than I expected. This is better than the 700, I would say, and I think the only reason people would disagree maybe is because the 700 has a little bit more hype, a little bit more resale value, and of course the 700 has boost, and I think that's one of the biggest detractors from this pair of shoes right here, is that there's no boost inside. I feel like they definitely could have done boost. They could have put some boost pods in the middle of this shoe, but they elected not to for whatever reason. Either way, I'm really not complaining. I'm not a huge boost head. Like, I don't need it in my shoes to feel like it's a comfortable pair of shoes. Okay, so right now they're going for $309 on StockX. They retail for $200, let's say $215 after tax. So they're not actually reselling for that much over retail, which is good to see. I like that. It lets other people get the pair of shoes, which I'm definitely a fan of. If you want a pair of Yeezys and you're able to get it, I think everyone should be able to do that. I really don't know why I have 3 pairs. I'm gonna keep one. I'm probably gonna sell the other one for like $20 over retail. I really didn't think it through. They released online before they released in store, and I bought one online just to make sure that I had one because I didn't know if I was guaranteed to get one in store because I wasn't 100% sure how many sizes they had. But now I have 3 pairs and I spent $940 on them. Judging from Twitter and Instagram, these things were not super hard to get. It seems like if you wanted a pair and you really tried to get a pair, filled out some raffles, got online at the right time, lined up at your store, you got a pair. I probably could have got back in line and got another pair of these as well. Like, they had many sizes, and I think they had more pairs than there were people lined up. So I could have maybe even got another pair, but I really didn't need one. I have to say, I'm sort of pleasantly surprised with how these look, but at the same time, I'm really questioning my sanity of why I wasted $940 on 3 pairs of them. I'm not quite sure why that's a thing, but it's a thing. I'm really curious to see what these things look like on feet. Let's take a look at that. I have officially decided, after wearing these, that these things are freaking fire. They look nice. They look really nice. Maybe you don't like them with the jeans I'm wearing. Guess what? I don't care. I really don't care. The Yeezy 500, I can't believe I'm saying this, looks freaking fire. Now remember how we were talking about cleaning up the second bedroom? I think I found a solution, but that solution has a slight problem. I figured the best way to clean up all that stuff on the floor would be to get a shelf to put in the closet. I found that shelf. It's perfectly sized. It fits the closet exactly how I wanted it to. There's just one slight problem with it. The shelf is wedged in the back of my car and it weighs 60 pounds. There's no way I'm getting that through 4 doors, an elevator, and into my apartment by myself. I guess that's for tomorrow.